Hey fellow amps, this is Big T, the amputee, and today we're talking about socks. An important thing about wearing a prosthetic is to make sure that it fits properly on you so that you can walk properly. And that's what socks do, because in the beginning, especially in the beginning, there's a big volume change on your stump. A way to know that you need socks is that you feel pressure on your tibia or you feel pressure on the bottom of your stump. So at this moment, I feel like I need socks. I'm going to put on a number 5 sock. Now this is very important. Socks go on the outside of the liner, not on the inside, because if you do put it on the inside, you're going to have problems. So make sure it goes on the outside of the liner. Just roll it up like a regular sock. And when you put the sock on, you want to make sure that there are no creases. So you want to smooth it out real good so that there's no creases in there. Once you have it on, then you can put your prosthetic back on. And in my case, I have a sleeve that goes over my prosthetic. You want to make sure that the sleeve goes all the way up and over the sock so you get a proper seal. That feels a lot better now. So remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you also comment on the video and ideas that you want us to show on. So don't forget, always live that amped up life. Talk to you soon.